Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Roblox mobile not launching on your mobile device. There are many reasons for that. The first reason is that you have to check whether your internet connection working or properly or not, which means you have to shift to your data connection to Wi-Fi connection so that Roblox mobile can work properly. After that, you can also go for the browser and you have to check your speed test, which means you have to check your internet connection speed and whether you have to check it supports Roblox or not. After checking, you can go for the next step, which is as you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to simply go to the settings of the app. You can do the same by simply going to the settings and searching for application manager, and in application manager you can go for the Roblox. And after that, the first thing you have to do, you have to simply force stop the app, and after that you have to go for the storage and clear cache, and simply you have to simply clear the cache of your Roblox mobile. After clearing the cache, you have to check whether it is launching or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for the clear storage and you can again check whether your problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can go to Play Store and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, you have to simply update your Roblox app. After updating, you can check whether your problem has solved by the updating version of that app. If the problem is still there, you can go for the version of Roblox mobile, which means that version will not work on your device and you have to install a lower version of the Roblox so that you can easily enjoy Roblox on your device. After doing all the things, you can check whether the problem is still there. Then you can also go for the Play Store and you can do the developer contact, and which means you can email the developer contact that you are facing that problem, and after that your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.